Hi, my name is Jonesy. Today I'm going to show you how to make uppercase letters on an iPad. Okay, so what you want to do is go to any app where you're required to type. I'm going to go to Notes. When you go to a new line, as you can see in the lower left and right of your keyboard, the Shift key is already on. When you start a new sentence, generally it does that for you automatically. If you type, the store, let's say I wanted to capitalize store, I'm just going to tap the Shift button and allow me to create a capital letter. Notice how it automatically turns off the Shift button once I've pressed a letter. Now if you want to type a whole word or sentence with capital letters, you're going to want to double click or double tap the Shift button, and you can see there that the Shift is in like Shift lock, and so now anything that I type is going to be capitalized. And that's it. So once again, my name is Jonesy, and I just showed you how to make uppercase letters on an iPad.